feeling claustrophobic. I'm feeling claustrophobic. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay, Cass. You're gonna be okay. There's a giant spider. It's a baby. It's giant-ish. Ooh, can you see it? This is why I hate it in here. Come on, what are you waiting for? Come on.
At the back of the closet, behind the magic curtain.
Welcome to my nightmare. So this is the only storage area in my entire house. I call it my Harry Potter closet because it's the little space under my stairs. It's kind of like Narnia. You have to travel through the back of a wardrobe or closet. Except unlike Narnia, it isn't magical and wonderful. It's filled with spiders and it's my dungeon of decor. This is where I store all of my seasonal decor and I literally have to crawl to get in here, and it's a hot mess sandwich, and the only reason I'm even attempting to declutter it is because of Dawn from the Minimal Mom. So this video is part of a collab with Dawn where we are decluttering our storage areas. I'm going to put a link down below to everybody else decluttering their storage areas. I promise it'll be better than this video. So because I'm feeling super lazy and I don't actually want to work in this space, it's the stuff of nightmares. I don't want to be in here for very long, but I need to declutter. So the Easter egg method is what we're going to use today. And basically, you're hunting for things that can go. You're just peeking inside bins or looking in piles to see if you can find 21 things that can go. This is also called the 21 item toss. Think of it as hide and go seek with your stuff, except you're always the seeker because your stuff can't find you. But yeah, so let's play. Ready or not, here I come, junk. Oh, this is so hard because I love all my junk. I love all of you things. Peekaboo. First of all, this can go. This can definitely go. I had this clean at one point. There was a time in my life where this was all clean. And then I bought more stuff. Because I have a problem. Oh, I see something. This can definitely go. I found more things. My name is Cassandra Arson, and I am addicted to home decor. Feeling claustrophobic? I'm feeling claustrophobic. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay, Cass. You're gonna be okay. Take deep breaths through your nose and out through your mouth, I think. Are you ready for the butt shot? You know you're ready for the butt shot. I'm digging. Oh, do I use this? No. Do I want this? Yes, friends. Yes, I do.
I found something. Peekaboo.
No, this is terrifying. This is super terrifying. This adorable thing I got at a craft show once because, you know, up on a shelf, and I thought it would be a great trick to play on my kids, like their elf turned into a zombie. It was not funny. Milo was terrified. I'm a terrible mother, but I've kept this little beast in here. He wasn't even in a bin. He was just over there, just like thrown in here randomly. He scared me. The best part is his eyes glow in the dark. So if this light bulb ever should break while I'm in here, his eyes will lead me home. He's totally staying. He's going somewhere. I'm going to hide it. In case my kids ever decide to wander in here. Dun, dun, dun! Stay at a mommy's secret space. Well, let's put them right here by the Christmas tree. So I have a lot of pillows, but I love my pillows. My pillows, you can't pull them out of my cold, dead hands. They're going nowhere. But I do have a lot of baskets. The irony that most of my clutter in here is stuff to organize my clutter. It has not been lost on me. There's a giant spider. It's a baby. It's giant-ish. Can you see it? Can you see it? Ooh, can you see it? This is why I hate it in here. Do I let you live? I'm gonna let you live. You're gonna be donated. You're gonna go to Goodwill, to a better place. Happy you. So I actually did find a pillow that could go. This was from my mom. Sorry, Mom, but I never use this pillow. So my pile's getting bigger. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 things. Quick math, 9, 12, 21 items. I'm not good at math. I got some items to go. Holy jackpot of hidden bins, all of which can go. Oh my god. Ugh. Yes. These are all going. Honestly, I forgot I owned this house rules sign, which means it's gonna go. Look at all my decluttering. Goodbye, random stick. This giant thing is going. My closet's giving birth to decor. It's like a mountain. Totally worth me climbing in here. I'm trapped in here, so. Hey, wait, no, I'm trapped. And if you could move this to the craft room for me, and then I love you. Kids are the best. I'll keep decluttering. So in under 15 minutes, I found 56 things that could go. 56 things. I was hunting for 21. I totally surpassed that. It was a lot faster than I thought it would be. So thank you, Dawn. Thank you for inspiring me to climb into my Harry Potter closet and actually find things to declutter. And I think this Easter egg method, this method works because you don't make a bigger mess. You're only hunting for things that can go. So you don't have to sort. You don't have to like spread all your stuff out. The only thing you're looking for is things that can leave your house, and it always leaves your space tidier. I have so much more space in this Harry Potter closet now. I was able to tidy it up within that 15 minutes. I feel really good about myself. So if you are like me and you're reluctant to declutter an area, I would challenge you to give this decluttering method a try, and make sure you check out the link below to all the other videos of all the other YouTubers as part of the Clutter-Free January. They are decluttering their storage areas too. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I thought I'd do the end story here in the Harry Potter closet so I could show you my sparkly butthole. A lot of you guys ask, Cass, where's your sparkly butthole? I still have it. It's here in the Harry Potter closet, where I also put all the other home decor to die. I mean, I'm keeping it because I love it. And if Izzy hadn't told me what it really looked like, I probably would still have it in my living room. But every time I looked at it, that's all I could see. And so I've relocated it down here. But I'm not ready to let it go because there could be a time and a place where sparkly butthole painting is exactly what I need. I have a problem. I'm looking around. I have all this home decor stuff. It's a hot mess. I always say, organize for your space, not your stuff. You can only keep what will fit in your space. I don't always take my own medicine. I cram this place so freaking full. And every time I want to get something out, I have to crawl, and my hair and everything. And there's like things, and I'm crawling through, and I'm crawling back in, and I'm kicking stuff into the hallway. Sometimes I get trapped in here. No lie. I get trapped in here because I'm taking out the Christmas toads, and there's so many and they get stuck that I can't push them through the hole to get out. So I'm trapped in the Harry Potter closet, screaming to my family to help me so they can take the stuff out of the doorway so I can actually physically get out. More than one occasion I have been trapped in here. So anyways, that's not what I wanted to talk to you about today. Now that you've seen how terrible I am at organizing, yeah, this feels awkward. I am doing an advice series. I'm going to be in New York for a little bit, and I'm going to be bored, you guys, when I'm not working and on weekends. And I love you guys. And I thought, why not do some online free coaching? So I'm going to be offering free coaching for some of you who want organizing advice, or we can just chat about life. I don't know, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to be offering 4 Zoom calls per person to help take a look at your space, give you some advice on decluttering and organization, help finding your organizing style, or whatever it is you want to chat about. So if you would like to take part in this advice series, send a photo of your space to advice@clutterbug.com. I can promise you I'm better at organizing other people's spaces than I am my own. Now that you've seen my dirty secret, you know I'm a fraud. But honestly, I'm okay in other people's places. So yeah, hopefully we get to work together soon. I'll see you next time.
Until next time, Dungeon of Decor.
I want to make that evil laugh or something. Wait. I need more to do with my day.